Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a budget report using the template in your Google Sheet PC. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to create a budget report using the template in the Google Sheet web. So this is a website. So if you want to see every template, just click on this template gallery. It will open like this. So here if you need to create a budget report, you will see this option. There is an annual budget report and also a monthly budget report. You can choose the report that you want. Easy, just double click here. It will open the template here. So now you can just you just need to edit this. Just click this. You can see the formula that actually that they have been given. So you can just edit it by double tapping here, and you can just change the data. It automatically changes the every graph and also everything. So for an example, you can just add more rows at the bottom by clicking this add option. So and also you can see here the home section, there will be $950. I just changes to $800. Okay, you can see the plan has been changed, and here also there will be changes. And if you just change here, you can see appearance, the changes will be appear here. I just change here, you can see there will be changes here. So if this template is useful for you, you can just easily use this, edit it, and you can just save it on your own. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.